all the dedication and affection that you have bestowed on us. Since the first day that you stepped into Hoover, you have navigated the waters gracefully, wisely, and with a profound belief that every child, every staff member, and every family matters. We can only wish that your tireless efforts have laid a strong foundation for Hoover, on which we can lead our school with confidence into the future. We were blessed for 8 years with your compassionate leadership, and the footprints that you have left in every corner of our campus will remain in our hearts and lives forever.
I hear a few words from the students at Hoover. Dr. Scott, you keep us safe and take care of us. You are very kind and helpful, because when someone gets hurt, you help them up. And if someone wants to play, you say you may. You help us by telling us what to do and by teaching us. You don't let us fight, and you encourage us to work together. You give us presents and let us choose books from the window of your office. You're the best principal in the world. You're the best of everything. We will miss you, but we hope you visit us when you can. Please accept our good wishes for your well-deserved retirement.